Hello everyone and welcome back to my new video. This is me Imon Hussain. This is slow English video and today I'm going to share with you on how to think in English. Many of people are struggling with this problem, but the solve is this. Watch this video till the end. I hope you'll get your answer from this video. When I was a learner of zero, I couldn't speak and I was zero of English. In that moment, many of problem and was in my mind. On what are them? First of all, I couldn't think. This is a common problem. Second thing is that where I will go to learn English. And third number is that how can I utilize my time for learning English. So the answer is that if you want to learn English, you have to think in easy way. This is easy and this is simple and this is just language. You have to think, you have to adopt in your mind. So this is easy, this is completely easy, this is not hard. This is the first of all, so you have to create on your mind. So then after, and if you want to go number 2 steps, so you have to listen and every single day, and if you listen 15 minutes to 20 minutes and you can get confident whenever you will listen others any question, others any single types of English related commentary and English related word, and whenever you will listen, then after you can very easily can catch of others anything. And this is a step. You have to approach your mind step by step, and if you don't follow step by step, definitely never will clear your hesitation. And number 3, you have to practice. And how will you practice? You have to practice with simple English. You don't need to go the advanced English. You have to know some question and which is really will help you. And common question, what's your name, where are you from, and how old are you? Like this question you have to know. And if you start from this and if you can make conversation just 1 minute or 2 minutes or 3 minutes, then after you can very easily boost your knowledge, because we need confidence means we are progressing our knowledge, and that's the thing. And number 4, and whenever you can speak, whenever you will speak, then after you have to spend time with yourself. You have to practice with mirror 5 minutes or 10 minutes, which means self practice. And if you practice with yourself 5 minutes or 10 minutes without reason, you don't need to think about it. Just speak in front of the camera, speak in front of the mirror, so you can record yourself and you can listen yourself. And I think this is a process. And if you think, and I will follow just 3 or 4 days, then after my English will be pro level. So it isn't possible. This is not possible. This is really important step, and you have to have like that mentality. So, you have to stay with your mission, so then after you can get a good result for yourself. And if you're watching this video from YouTube and from other platform, what do you think about those are steps? And I think, and if somebody follows those are steps, definitely they can speak very easily, confidently, effortlessly, without hesitation, without lackings, and without problem. So that's a real thing. That's a real step for ourselves. If you're watching this video from YouTube and from other platform, I don't know where you're watching this video, but if you think this is a helpful one, and if you think this is a good one to learn English, to improve, to know something about English, so definitely subscribe. This is a easy thing. This is really simple things, and if you can subscribe, and if you can follow, and if you can share on my videos, and I will come again later, but not now, very soon, hopefully after 1 day later. Thank you. Have a nice day. Every single day I have to become better and better. That's why, and I do practice with myself, and I never give up. So and if I don't know, so definitely my practice will be continue. And so that's my real progress, I think. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you for another one. Every single day you have to have like that mentality for your progress. Stay connected with your mission, and never forget to do every single day work for yourself just a single work, but big result you will get from your activity. So thank you and bye bye. See you for the